Hi everyone, I'm Mandy. I am in Huntley and running my studio, Mew Art Studio. In my studio, I'm mainly doing silk paintings and oil paintings, and sometimes I take commissions for portrait in the past years. And I have been in Huntley since 2018. And so today I want to share a news with you. It's about the square deer. Square deer, yeah. You know the square deer, which run by the Devon Project, and I have they having a project to support artists to use that space to deliver art related activities. So I took the opportunity from their support, and I booked in from November. Full weekend start from the 19th of November until the 10th of December. So full weekends on Saturday. And I am now planning to give some workshops about silk painting for the family with children, or for adults who love art, trying different art forms like silk painting or 3D drawing. I'm still planning those. So the course I have for so the workshop will start from the 19th November, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and every Saturday until the 10th of is that every Saturday? Yeah, every Saturday until the 10th of December. So if you're interested, you can follow my Facebook page, or if you're not familiar with my work, you can also check out my website. It's updating, but then through the website you can find all the link to see my other works. And I have a lot of video on YouTube. You can also check out on YouTube what my workshops are like. Okay, so now let's see. I have those in plan, like 3D drawing, art therapy, watercolor, and portrait painting. Like for only gonna be all those workshop will be for beginners. All the beginners are welcome, and I'm not planning to do anything very complicated. My goal is to have fun with everyone. So when it's portrait painting, drawing, and we can do eyes, nose, lips. I don't know. We will see by the time when the time come closer. And I have a special beginner's silk painting kit that is suitable for any children age 8+. And I also have a gift making plan, because I have this full weekend, so I kind of planning for 4 different focus, 4 different focus. And then so the last one in 10th of December, that will be the time everyone's thinking about maybe the last minute gift. So I on the 10th of December, we're going to make some handmade silk related gift for Christmas. We can I have something like tie. I still have some cushions, a cushion cover, and I think the easiest thing would be silk scarves. And just keep an eye on my website. I will keep the updates on it. So that's it. That's it for today. Oh yeah, and if you are artist watching this video, and you can contact the Devon Project if you want to use a space to share something fun with local people. Okay, so I'll put my link in this post as well. Just check it out if you want to join me. Have a nice day. Bye for now.